To send crypto to a Nano X, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the Ledger Live application installed on your computer, as this will be used to manage your Nano X. Next, open the Ledger Live application and connect your Nano X device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Once connected, you will be prompted to unlock your Nano X by entering your PIN. After unlocking, you will see a list of available accounts on your device. Select the account you wish to send crypto from, and then click on the Send button. You will then be asked to enter the recipient's address, which can be found on their Nano X device or provided to you by the recipient. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's address, as sending crypto to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. After entering the recipient's address, you will be asked to enter the amount of crypto you wish to send. Be sure to select the correct unit of measurement, such as BTC or ETH, and enter the amount carefully. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount of crypto being sent, and the transaction fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and the crypto will be sent to the recipient's Nano X device. It is also important to note that transaction fees are associated with sending crypto, and these fees can vary depending on the network congestion and the type of crypto being sent. To minimize fees, consider sending crypto during off-peak hours or using a crypto with lower transaction fees. In addition to sending crypto, it is also important to keep your Nano X device and Ledger Live application up to date, as this will ensure you have the latest security features and updates. Regularly updating your device and application will help protect your crypto from potential security threats. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely send crypto to a Nano X device. Remember to always double-check the recipient's address and transaction details before confirming a transaction, and keep your device and application up to date to ensure the security of your crypto.